Okay, one of the items that we're going to look at today has to do with finding area. So this problem says, click an item in the list or the group of pictures at the bottom of the problem and hold the button down, drag it to the correct position to answer box. So we're going to find the answer to this problem, and then we've got to be able to basically put the stuff in here. That's basically what they're telling us. So they want us to find the area of an equilateral triangle. And they say, remember, equilateral triangle, 3 again, that's regular, means 3 again means it's 3-sided. Regular means the sides are all the same, including the angles would also have to be the same. Okay, and they're saying that the side is 6 inches long. So first of all, to do any of these problems, the number one thing we need to be able to do is to have a picture to be able to work from. So here's our equilateral triangle. They say that each side is 6 inches. So that means each of these sides are 6 inches. And they gave us a formula in this section that helps with this. So we have area is the square root of 3 over 4 times our sides squared. So in this one, we know that this is going to be our S. So that 6 is going to go in here. So square root of 3 over 4 times 6 squared. So I know that 6 squared is going to be 36. And one thing that may help us is to know that these two can actually go into each other and do some kind of reducing if we pretended like that was over 1. So 4 would go into itself once and into 36 9 times. So my area is going to be 9 square root of 3. Now, some people might have done this, but I want you to think about what we do with variables. When we have variables, you know how we always put the whole number value in front of the variable. Like if it was x times 9, I'd write 9x. So this has to go in front of the square root. That's always the way that it's kind of set up. And so this is going to be inches squared. Okay, now back to this little thing they give us up here. That means that I would have to take this 9 and drag it here. And I would have to take the 3 and drag it underneath. Okay, that's basically the way that it works.